Hi everyone, welcome back to my IGTV. I recently had to go for a wedding reception and all I had was 15 minutes to get ready, and this is the makeup look that I did. To begin with, I started with a Spotlight Primer by Physicians Formula, and this gives that beautiful dewy radiant look to the skin. Now my skin is looking a little bit red because that day I was out in the sun all day long. For foundation, I'm taking what else but my favorite, the Innisfree My Foundation 2.3, and this is the shade W33, and I'm blending it all out with the Sonicblend by Todd Beauty. As you can see, it blends the foundation beautifully and pretty quickly as well, and I get this really lovely airbrushed kind of finish. I don't like very full coverage foundations. I prefer to let my skin show through a little bit of my freckles. I just feel that looks more natural, and well, that's it. So that's what I'm doing. I am blending out the foundation everywhere, and of course you can't forget the neck. For concealer, I'm taking the Bollyglow concealer, and this is in the shade Biscuit, and I'm blending it all with the YBP Makeup Perfector, and then I'm using the Anastasia brow gel. I have forgotten the shade, but I will mention all of it in the description box. Taking the shade Antique Bronze from the Pixi Beauty Natural Reflex eyeshadow palette, I am applying it all over my eyelid with my fingertips, and I'm gently diffusing the color towards the brow bone just to give it a soft washed effect. Now when it comes to eye makeup, I personally feel that if the makeup is looking good at an arm's length, it's good enough, because nobody honestly is going to zoom into your eyes and see it. Then I'm taking this Bollyglow shadow liner, and this is the beautiful glittery gold color, and I'm just patting it all over the lids to give it a nice shimmery effect. I'm taking this dark brown shade from the MAC Cicero palette. I'm blending it into the outer corners just to give a little bit more depth and definition to the eyes, and I'm also applying it onto the lower lash line. Then with the MAC Dual Dare waterproof liner, using the kajal side, I am tight lining my eyes as well as applying it onto the upper lash line and the lower lash line. I am not applying it onto the lower waterline because I don't want that smoky gold rimmed look. I just want the eyes to look more defined. For mascara, I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara, and like I've mentioned before, I've had a lash lift done, so I don't really need too much mascara. I'm just lightly coating my lashes with it. I'm sure by now you know that the Benefit Hoola bronzer is one of my favorites, so that is what I'm using to lightly contour my cheeks as well as my nose. And then I'm taking my favorite blush, which I haven't used for a very long time. This is the Colourpop Drop of a Hat blush, and it's a pearlized formula, so I don't even need a separate highlighter with this, and it's just such a beautiful color, especially for Indian skin tones. On my lips, I'm using the Nudestix Retro, and this is a beautiful reddish brown shade. What this does is it's going to give a nice base to the glossy lipstick that I'm going to put on top, so that there is no feathering or bleeding. And because the whole look is so simple and I want the lips to be the focal point, I'm finishing off with the MAC Patent Paint Lip Lacquer in the shade Latex Love, and as you can see, it's a beautiful glossy red. So well, that is the finished look, and if you skip the bindi and the earrings, well, then I feel this look is perfect even for Valentine's Day. It's just very simple yet glam, and the red lips are the focus of attention. I'm just putting on the earrings and the bindi, and I'm ready for the wedding reception. So this was the finished look. Super easy to do, very quick as well, and yet the red lips and the soft glittery eyes makes it look like we've spent a lot of time and effort in doing this makeup. So let me know what you guys think of this look. I look forward to reading all your comments, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!